Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing clean inputs. Import math if you want the built-in function, but you can code the Euclidean algorithm yourself. First, convert values to int and use abs, so negative signs don't affect logic. Check for 0. If one value is 0, return the absolute other immediately. Once done, decide whether to call math. GCD, A, B for simplicity, or proceed to implement the iterative steps below for clarity and control. You now implement the core, the Euclidean loop. Start with A equals abs, A, B equals abs, B. Then while B equals 0, A, B equals B, a percent %B, this repeatedly replaces numbers with remainders, shrinking values quickly. This works because the GCD of A and B equals the GCD of B and a mod B, so each step preserves the answer while reducing the problem size. That is why it terminates efficiently. Make sure to use mod on integers to avoid float pitfalls. You finish by returning as the GCD and then testing thoroughly. Create unit tests, pairs with zeros, negatives, primes, and large numbers. Once done, compare outputs with math. GCD to verify correctness and performance. If results diverge, make sure inputs are ints, not floats, and that you used abs consistently. Incorrect modulo usage or accidental float division often causes wrong results. Make sure to handle
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.